Kulabhushan Pandyan was ruling Madurai, but during that time, a Shiva-devoted king named Kaduvetty Chola ruled Kanchipuram. The Pandyan and Chola kings were enemies. The Chola king deeply longed to have a darshan, sacred viewing, of Lord Sundareshwarar, Saukanathar, who was blessing Madurai. However, he was afraid because Madurai was enemy territory. Lord Shiva, wanting to fulfill the Chola's wish, appeared in his dream and said, "Disguise yourself and come to Madurai without telling anyone to have my darshan." The Chola king immediately disguised himself as an ordinary person and set off towards Madurai late at night. After enduring many hardships, he reached the banks of the Vagai river, only to find it overflowing with floodwaters. The Chola lamented, "O Lord! I came all this way, but will the flood prevent my darshan? What if the Pandyan king catches me midway?" Just then, Lord Shiva appeared there disguised as an old Siddhar, sage. "My son, don't worry, I am also going to worship Saukanathar. Come with me," the Siddhar called out to the Chola. As the Siddhar looked at the Vagai river, the floodwaters parted to make way. The astonished Chola followed the Siddhar. It was past midnight when they reached the temple gate, and the doors were locked. The Siddhar said, "I know the gatekeeper," and he took the keys and opened the doors. The Chola king worshipped Saukanathar and Meenakshi Amman with a full heart and sang hymns of praise. As dawn broke, the Siddhar led the Chola out through the north gate of the fort. Once outside, the Siddhar placed the seal of his vehicle, the Nandi, bull, on the fort gate and blessed the king, saying, "No trouble will ever come to you again." After leaving his Nandi seal, the old Siddhar took the Chola across the Vagai river and then vanished. The Chola understood that the one who came was none other than Lord Shiva. The next morning, when the guards came to open the temple, they were astonished to see the imprint of the Nandi seal on the fort gate. Moral: Lord Shiva will remove all obstacles from his devotees' path and come to guide and bless them, no matter where they are or when they call upon him.